Hello guys, today I have got Motorola Vervebuds 250 and I'm going to show you how you can easily enable or disable the phone calls function. This option is only available in the Android phone. Of course, what I mean by that is to enable or disable this option. And so at first to do so you need to open the settings. Here open connected devices. Now tap this gear icon near your earbuds. As you can see, here I've got something named phone calls. You can disable them or enable. Of course, disabling and enabling this option may cause connectivity issues or some bugs, so I don't actually recommend doing so. I will just keep them enabled. That's it. Goodbye.